Hello everyone, my name is Tamer Yani and this is my final project for CS50 WebTrack. This is HandyEats.com. Actually, let me introduce you to my friend Bob.
Greetings, CS50. This is Bob Vance, Vance Refrigeration, coming to you from Scranton, Pennsylvania, on behalf of Tamir Yanni. Tamir is presenting for his final project a website that helps people reduce food waste by proposing recipes based on stuff already in your fridge. And fridges are one thing I know about. There's many a time I've gone to my beautiful Viking refrigerator and said to Phyllis, "Honey, there's nothing in here." Next thing I know, I'm snacking on something delicious and tasty, something that's already in your refrigerator. Congratulations, Mr. Yanni. Class, enjoy this final project. It's tasty and delicious, and it comes from a fridge. Bob Vance, Vance Refrigeration.
Thanks Bob. Now let me show you around the website. The main requirement I had for HandyEats is that it needed to be a very simple search tool to find recipe ideas. So here you simply click on recipe search and then you get a list of ingredients that you need to fill in. So let's say I have some tomatoes and some beans that are about to expire and get recipe ideas. Here's this recipe search page where you have the title of the recipe, picture of the recipe, and then you get a list of the ingredients that you might not have. So I'll scroll through a few of these, and for example, if I have a slow cooker and I think this recipe is interesting, I can just click on Show Recipe, and this will take me to the recipe page where you see the main uh, information about the recipe, like how many servings and how long it takes to cook and so on. Here's all the ingredients you'll need, and here are the instructions. And if you'd like to go to the recipe webpage where that recipe came from, you can just click here, and this will take you to the webpage where that recipe came from. This is all done through the Spunacular API. That's all. Thank you.